This is a video about making the Gans balls for the stacker coils in a Magrav. The Gans balls are made from 20mm diameter sous vide cooking balls. They are readily available from online shopping sources like Amazon or eBay. A pin vise with a number 69 drill bit will be used to drill a hole in the top of each Gans ball. A support block made from scrap 2x4 was used to keep the Gans balls steady while working with them. Okay, so I'm going to get ready to fill these Gans balls with Gans water. I made a block here with 3/4 inch holes drilled with a spade bit, and I only went down about 1/2 inch in there. A 3 milliliter syringe with a 22 gauge needle will be used to fill each Gans ball. Okay. Okay, I've got these Gans balls filled up with the composite Gans water, and the next step I'm going to do is put a blob of glue on each hole, but I want to prime it first with some polypropylene primer. The Gans ball surfaces will need to be prepared with polypropylene primer before applying the glue. This is the polypropylene primer right here, so I'm going to put this on there. I'm just going to go all the way around the top of that. Okay, that does a surface prep for the glue because of this polypropylene. Okay, that's all there is to it. The next step is to seal each hole with a drop of glue. So this is a high temperature glue. This I talked about it in an earlier video on making capacitor holders. So let's see if I can make this work. Okay, so I got a little slop there. Okay, so I got just a little bit on there, and hopefully that'll set. I can put a little bit more on top of it. I just basically want it to seal the hole first, and then I'll put a little bit more on top of it. Allow the glue to dry overnight, then carefully inspect each Gans ball afterwards. Apply a second drop of glue if needed. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.